Welcome, Hornets, and thank you for joining me. This is part two of the review for average values, and I am using the average values 2 worksheet in order to help and to have examples to work through. In part one, we worked for numbers 1 through 6, and I had to step out for my staff meeting. And now that I am done with that, I am back to finish numbers 7 and 8. So we're going to be starting with number 8, which is given f of x is 3x squared plus 4x over the interval -3 to 2, working with the average value formula. Now, the way you want to do this is please start by setting up the integration where you're putting your interval limits in. So those are our limits of integration. We're going to put our integrand 3x squared plus 4x dx, and we're dividing by the change of 2 to -3. This is giving me 1/5 that goes in front, -3 to 2, and I'm then going to do the general power rule for integration in order to work on the last step. I get 1/5 bracket. When I do add 1 to the power and divide by 3, I'm left with x cubed and a 2x squared from -3 to 2. We're now going to plug in, and we have 8 plus 8 minus -27, and then we have a plus what would be 18. 1/5 goes out in front. We're now looking at 16 minus, and we end up getting -9. 1/5 out in front. We add them together. Notice the double negative is giving me 25 divided by 5, and my answer is 5. Last one. We're given the function f of x is equal to 2 to the x plus 6, and the interval is 0 to 2. We're now going to go ahead and we're going to set it up to x to the power of x plus 6 from 0 to 2 dx divided by 2 minus 0. This is giving me 1/2, which is going to go out in front. And I then have that integration, 2 to the x plus 6 dx. Now, please be careful with this. We know that the integration is going to be 1 over the natural log of 2 times 2 to the x. And we're then going to have plus 6x from 0 to 2. We're getting 1/2. We have 1 over the natural log of 2. We have 2 squared, which is giving me 4. And we have plus 12. Now the 0 is going to be next, so we're subtracting 1/2. And we have 1 over the natural log of 2 times 2 to the 0 power minus 0. This is giving me 4 over the natural log of 2. And we have 2 in the denominator. We're adding 6. We're then going to have a minus 1 over 2 natural log of 2. And we have a minus 0. Now, if I have 4 of these and I'm taking away 1, you'll notice I can get 3 to natural log of 2 plus 6. And if we get the common denominator to this, I'm looking at 3 plus 6 times 2 natural log of 2 divided by 2 natural log of 2. And I'm going to end up with my answer to be, 3 plus 12 natural log of 2 divided by 2 natural log of 2. And there's my answer. And all I have to do is check it, and we can use a calculator to do that. Alrighty. That is the end of the finding the average values over the given interval, numbers 1 through 8 from average value number 2. And I hope you found this useful. If you have any questions, please feel free to put in a comment or ask a question, and I'll try my best to answer it and or improve the way I do these. Thank you very much. Please be safe and take care, and I hope this has helped. Bye-bye now.